everyone, and welcome to Treasures and Trinkets by Lindsay Creates Gifts. I am Lindsay, and today I'm going to be doing a nice short video for us because my last video was quite long, so a nice short one today, a nice simple one, this lovely herringbone weave earring here with the lovely simple link there with a bead in it as well. So I'm going to include things you need to make the earring in my giveaway. As I said in the giveaway video, I'm going to be adding to it until we reach 500 subscribers. So the materials to make this will be included in the giveaway, but you will need to head over to that video and comment if you would like to enter, and I will link it in the description. So let's go on and make our earring. We're going to be using these 8mm tiger's eye beads. I love tiger's eye. I think it's a very underestimated gemstone. I think tiger's eye is a massively underrated gemstone. It is beautiful, and that's what we're going to be using. So 8mm tiger's eye and some little 4mm tiger's eye, and these head pins, these are 4cm head pins, just about. I have my bead board over here off camera that you can't quite see, and these ear wires. The only reason I'm not mentioning the colour of the wire is because you can really do this in whatever colour wires you have, and you will also need 20 gauge wire. For one earring you'll need about 5 inches, or 4 inches if you can work short, and 5 inches if you like a bit of working room. So I'm going to clear all this away and come back and we'll make the earring together. And I am back. So because it's what I'm sending out, I have cut out a 5-inch piece of wire here, and I'm going to need 2 head pins. So these are our components. What I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to take my 20 gauge wire here, and I'm going to make a very small loop at one end of the wire, just like that. Okay, and loop this onto one of your head pins like so, and try and keep your inside of the wire, your loop on the inside like that, so you're hiding it. Grab your bead, in this case your 8mm tiger's eye, and what we're going to do is we're going to find a way that we can comfortably hold it. I can comfortably hold it like, I don't know, on camera we'll find out, won't we? But so I suppose like this, and you just want to bring this up and round like so, and then wrap it around the wire here all the way, and when you come to the other side like this, so you've got this little window, you're going to bring the wire back down to the bottom, pull this up a little bit, and you're going to do the same thing at the bottom. Hold that wire in place and wrap all the way around. Okay, like that. Oh, sorry, like that. And then bring it again round to the top, nice and firm, keeping it nice and smooth, round to the top. Pull, pull, and then round down to the bottom. Pull it up a little bit and wrap it around the bottom. And this time I'm going to do a complete circle round to the back, and I'm going to snip it off at the back here. And that's what I mean by I like to have a bit of working room, and I found 5 inches was perfect. Like that. And that's what we have right now. And now I want you to take your pliers and give it a nice bend backwards away from your design like that. Okay? And then take either your loop makers or your round nose pliers. I'm using the smallest loop right at the end. I'm just going to bring that around like that. Lovely. And now for this, I'm going to do something slightly different because I don't want this headpin bit. I'm going to chop it off. And I'm going to do that past. You can see there's some welding that changes the shape at the end. You want to cut that off, and it will, as long as it's no more than 2 millimeters, it won't stop you from doing this. Okay, so to start with, take the pin that you've just cut the head off, take your loop makers or your round nose pliers again, and make a nice neat small loop like that in one side. Get your pliers and just bend that into a shape that you like when your bead is going to sit on it. So I'd say that for me. Lovely. Grab your tiny 4mm tiger's eye, pop that on, and now you want to do your loop the opposite way, so I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to bend my wire that way. Okay, like that, and then curl it back in with my round nose pliers or my loop makers, whichever one, like that, and straighten it all out. And we have our 2 pieces. Open it up. I told you this was a quick one. Slide that on there. Close that up. Open up your ear wire and slide it on there. Well, make sure you'll see. I didn't make sure that if the design was going to be facing the right way. Just slide it off, slide it back on the right way, like that, and then close it back up. And there we have it, a lovely pair of herringbone earrings, and it really is a lovely, simple but effective design. And like I say, I will be including the materials to be making your very own pair along with the video and along with the last video we made. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for joining me. I hope I was able to inspire you today, and I hope you'll join me for the next video. I haven't received my bargain bead box yet. I am all the way in the UK, but I am excited for that. Thank you for joining me. I hope you had a lovely time watching. I had a lovely time making. Thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for joining me. I hope you all take care and have a lovely time. Ta-ta.